Setting up Face Unlock on your Android phone is a quick and convenient way to unlock your device securely. Start by opening the Settings app. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon, or by selecting Settings from your app drawer. Next, scroll down and open Lock Screen and AOD, then tap Screen Lock and Biometrics. Depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version, you may instead find the option under Security and Privacy, Biometrics. If prompted, enter your current PIN, password, or pattern. If you haven't already set up a secure screen lock, your phone will require you to create a backup PIN or password before Face Unlock can be enabled. Now, tap Face Recognition and select Continue, then choose Register or Setup. Before scanning, remove anything that could block your face, such as sunglasses, hats, or masks. Hold your phone at about eye level in a well-lit area, keeping your face centered inside the on-screen guide. Look directly at the front camera and follow the prompts, which may ask you to slowly move or tilt your head until the scan reaches 100%. Once the registration is complete, you can enable additional options such as unlocking directly to the home screen or requiring your eyes to be open for extra security if your device supports these features. Finally, lock your phone and test Face Unlock to confirm it recognizes you quickly and accurately. Your Android phone is now ready to unlock with just a glance, making everyday access faster while maintaining an added layer of convenience and security.